Okay, next comes the sampling part. So rather than giving you the audio file, we're just going to record in that sample. And what I'm going to do as a little bonus is show you how to make the sample really close to the original. So I've downloaded my notation and I've got that here. F, C, D flat, B flat, C, A flat, B flat, G. Really simple part. Okay, it's a really simple part. So I'm going to add track, add an instrument track. Now you can record it on piano and then mess around later. But the sound that I found that's kind of close is, oh no, I've forgotten what it was. Was it this? Was it this? Was it this? Yeah, I think I went for this eyelash synth. Okay. On octave 4. Yeah, octave 4. Okay. So I want to keep that notation so I can see the notes. So obviously the notes are F and so on, but we want to put it on this view here. So V, comma, L, J, comma, H, J, B. So you can either practice it and recording it. You can slow it down and record it really slowly and speed it up. I'm going to slow it down. I'm going to slow it right down, because that way I don't have to keep doing loads of takes and it's easier to quantize because it'll be less of a mess. Okay, so I'm going to hit record and I'm going to record it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And I messed up because I'm trying to look. Well, I'm not going to look in the phone, so excuse me if the phone goes off. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1. And I made one mistake at the end. So let me quantize it first. So select all your notes or hit Control A and hit Q or click quantize. And then at the end, this should have been. Why is it I've lost it? I want it on pointer tool. This should have been that note. Okay, let's bring it back to 120 BPM. Let's loop it. Now, if you go to effects and you click on add effect and go to delay and choose delay. Do that a bit fast. Effects, add effect. No. Effect, add effect, delay, de-delay. Set this to 0.44. No. Not 0.44, 0.044. And then it's closer to the original. Here we go. You know what? I think that's a bit. Slow. Oh, that's not 0.44. It went faster. Oh yeah, when I let go, it went faster. You know, maybe can I type it in? You want to be 0.44. Yeah, 120. If it's too loud, the echo, you can put the echo down by putting wet level down. Okay, well, there we go. That's your sample done. But you don't have to be Funky Friday, it can be anything else. Just a reminder again, that was Eyelash